Okay, so I am here at Stop and Go Gyro. If that's how you pronounce Gyro. Is it Gyro or Gyro? I say Gyro. I have no idea. Let me know. But yeah, so this is another food review. This is another Greek and Mediterranean restaurant. You know, I'm trying to get into more Mediterranean meals here. So let's check it out. I just did a POV drive to a job interview. I went to like 3 different locations, but I recorded the first POV drive. If you want to check that out, that will be on Dunamis Coop. Not this channel, but this is going on the Dunamis Coop channel as well. So, here it is. Stop and Go Gyro. So I will do a just food testing review. I'm getting it to go. It's 2:02 now. But I'll probably eat it for Brilliant Minds tonight, so, which is like 9 o'clock. But I'll go back, I'll get a taste. So yeah, I'm gonna get the food. Yeah, it's nice in here. Nice people. Yeah. So here to go. I already got the food. That was fast. So that's everything there, and approximately, I don't know, man, 5 to 7 minutes. It was fast. That's all I can say. So he said, there you go. It's like stop and go. That's what he told me when I walked out. So this is faster than fast food, and it's Greek Mediterranean. It smells very good. That's all I can say. So I'll test it when I get back. Again, I'm going to do like 1 bite of each. Give a little rating on each thing. 1 bite of each. You know, so chicken salad. So there's rice, pita bread, all that. Taste of chicken. That's the main thing. Chicken and the salads. And falafel. I've never eaten falafel before. This will be my first time eating falafel. So stay tuned. Okay. So, here's the chicken. I'll get a little bit with the sauce. I don't know. Actually, there's some rice, too. So, here you go. A little bit of chicken, rice. The lighting is bad here on the phone. It's good. It reminds me of a place that was at campus a few years ago. It was called Zalal Grill or something like that. That's what this tastes like. That's good. I mean, again, I'm not used to eating lots of Greek Mediterranean. I'm trying to switch over. Based on what I'm tasting, maybe a 7 out of 10. I'd say it's sort of like a fast food Mediterranean. They were faster than fast food, like I said. Cucumber, salad. Again, I'm just getting a little taste. Okay. There's a sauce. And pita bread, you know. Pita's pita, right? So, only good. Pita bread. Here's the falafel. So, first time eating falafel. It's crunchy, it's hard. Hold on. Let's see. Crunchy and hard. It's grand. So like, I just cook cornbread, so I usually cook cornbread on Saturday. I'm good at cooking cornbread, right? What this tastes like is a hard, crunchy cornbread without the sweetness in it. It's the best way I can describe it. This, like, 5 out of 10, maybe 5 or 6. I mean, I'm sure it's healthy, other than, you know, the part about it being deep fried. It's interesting. Hold on. Yeah, I mean, it's like a little healthy snack. Again, in terms of taste, 5 out of 10. So, and these here. What is it? I don't know, but it's good. It's like a pink pickle. I don't know what this is. Let me know. Those are jalapenos, which I'm not eating. Don't like jalapenos. Anyway, it's good overall. I don't know. I think the Little Greek Fresh Grill is a little bit better than the Stop and Go, from what I remember. I think it's a little better. Food's good. Again, I'll fully eat the meal, you know, later tonight. But yeah, this 5 out of 10. What I say about the rice, like the chicken combined with the rice, I guess. Like I said, around a 7 out of 10. Salad, you know, it's a salad. It was nothing amazing. Tastes good. So, I mean, there you go. That's all I can really say. But this is the Stop and Go gyro. Stop and Go gyro place. I don't know what to think. Again, it was like a fast food, but I don't know. I mean, for me, Little Greek Fresh Grill is still closer. Unfortunately, I think it is a little bit slightly more expensive. I don't know. This came out more expensive. Like I said, all that together was like $46. This is more expensive than I thought it would be as well. So, but I know I get more at Little Greek Fresh Grill, it seemed like, from what I remember. I haven't tried the sandwich though, but I don't know if I will try the sandwich. I mean, this is overall okay meal. I think Little Greek Fresh Grill. Now, keep in mind, these are not fancy, super expensive restaurants. That's not what these are. These are like, you go in, you know, they sort of had a buffet line display where you sort of pick it out, similar to Subway. And they had all the ingredients in front of you for you to see. So it was that type. It wasn't the type of place where they like cook everything in the bag and bring out the food. That's not what this place is. It's more like it's stop and go. It's like a fast food Mediterranean Greek place. So if you need something fast for lunch, I recommend it. But for a full-on dinner like I'm doing today, I can't recommend it for a full dinner. You know? Again, it's not bad. It's not the greatest either. Again, this is not super fancy, expensive, you know, $4 to $6 lamb chop type of place. That's not what this is. So, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. I'll see you.